buddy? Well, yeah, we're back at this area again. Like always, I'm running out of time. But the reason we're back here is because I was looking at my app, my Photographers, this app right here. And that showed me that the sun was where the sun was rising. And I was hoping to get a shot through that window there. You might remember that window. I took a few pictures there on discovering something new, like this photo right here. So I figured, I was looking at the app and I thought, well, maybe I can get the sunrise through that window opening there. But as you can see, we cannot even get to the window. So we have a little more water than we did on that shoot there. So, but I was thinking maybe I could get up on that wall there, get on top of that, and maybe get a shot. I don't know if I can. If not, then I think I'm gonna set up maybe right here at the end. And take a shot from here. But whatever I'm doing, I have to do it now. So
everything you said we already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
I've decided I was waiting for the sun to get up behind those clouds. And now I'm trying something different here. You know, I had that one polarizer where it's evenly polarized throughout the whole filter there. Now I also have a Hoya anti-static fusion, Hoya fusion anti-static, whatever, CPL. Something I did for fun, just playing around. I went ahead and put my Hoya 500, my ND filter, 9-stop, in behind both of those polarizers to see what kind of effect I got. Yeah, I know. The more filters you put in front of your lens, the lessens the quality. But hey, you know, sometimes you just have, like I said before, you experiment and see what you get, you know. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this photo. And this one I darkened the water a little bit. It looks like it looks pretty neat. Okay, let me take these off, or at least the ND filter. Now that now that the sun has moved up, pretty much in that spot that I was waiting for. We'll see what we get here. Well, what I was doing is I was trying to catch the bird the way I had the camera settings, I had a f11, so it was a 30th of a second. So when a bird would fly by, of course that wouldn't catch it, you know, clear. So I had to drop it down to an f4.5 to get a 250th of a second to freeze that bird. But then I don't think to freeze a bird, you know, in flight. But looking at the photo, it's not too bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and break the tripod down and get it in the pack, and take a walk down the other way and see if there's anything interesting. Alright, so just give me a minute. What I'm walking on is very slippery, and you know, it's that concrete thing. If you watch my other videos, you've seen it. But we've been having unusual, the water level has been unusually high for a while now. So this has been underwater for quite a while, and it has that green slime on it. So you know what I'm talking about. You know how slippery it is. Check this out. Check out the size of this snail shell. I'm gonna keep this one. I want to take a picture of it. I think maybe put it on this wood here. What do you think? Now I did change lenses. I put on 45 1.8. Came out pretty good. You'll see how that 1.8 just blurs out the background, like just makes it mush. A good thing to shoot on too. Check this out. I need to, you know what? No, I think I'm gonna leave the sand on it. Now just where to place it. Wondering how it would look on this dry sand. come out pretty good. Now, if you have a flip out screen or tilt screen, you can utilize that, and it makes it a whole lot easier to get a shot like this, where I'm taking a shot, a lower angle, get a different angle on that, different view on that kill, and see what that. Now see what that looks like. You can see what I'm talking about with that different angle, that low angle. I think that actually looks a lot better than the first one. So, but it's time to go home, edit, and get this edit the video, and then edit the pictures. Sorry about that, the battery just died. But like I was saying, thanks for joining me. Thanks for subscribing. If you subscribe, if you haven't, please consider it. And many more videos to come. I'm actually going to be venturing off into another genre. I'm going to be making videos doing that, but I'm not sure if I should put it on this channel or if I should make a whole nother channel. And I think I don't want to confuse people. It's like, oh, you're doing landscapes and I see you doing still life / product photography, and now you're doing this. It's like, so I don't, you know, like I said before in a past video, that venture into different genres of photography, because there's elements of one genre that help with another genre, and you don't have to just concentrate on one. Okay, don't let anybody tell you that, because you'll be missing out on a lot if you do something like that. But like I said, thanks for joining me, and I have to go. I'm hungry, you know. Got up early, and this is the last minute decision to come out here, and I was just gonna come out and take the photos, but it's like you know, it's like I can do a video, you know. It's like I leave you guys out of it. It's like I'm almost like feel like cheating you out of a video, you know, if I just come out and shoot. It's like when I go and shoot, it's like I feel obligated. I have to do the video too, you know. So, but anyway, thanks again, and until next time. See, I told you that the tide is coming up.